I'm Lucia Rose and today we're going to be speaking about my favourite primers. Grip Fix is a gel primer with ultra staying power and super ingredients. Containing Vitamin C and Niacinamide, this formula is powered to improve and brighten skin tone, minimise pores and improve the appearance of fine lines. Once applied, the slightly sticky finish bonds to your foundation for a long-lasting hold. Pro-based Banana Brightening Primer, the upgraded formula that promises to enhance your makeup game. Formulated with glycerin, banana extract and niacinamide, this primer not only creates a smooth canvas for your makeup, but also improves skin tone and brightens for a flawless look. This primer features an innovative jelly consistency and contains hyaluronic acid, providing a lightweight hydration boost. It applies smoothly to the skin, creating a flawless base while delivering moisturising and quenching benefits. Ideal for anyone looking to achieve a flawless finish, Pro-based pore-blurring primer visibly minimises the appearance of pores and fine lines, resulting in a demi-matte finish that looks and feels smooth. This advanced formula is enriched with vitamin E, known for its nourishing benefits for skin. So I'm going to use two primers today. I like mixing primers because they do different things. Hyaluronic Acid primer, which is incredible. It feels so nice on the skin. So soothing, so cool. Oh, you're plump. Oh, it's so nice. So I'm going to get a generous amount of that on the outside parts of my face. The outer parts. Yeah. That's gone on really lovely. It's got like a watery style texture. Oh, it's just so nice. And then I'm going to go in the centre of my face to see the T-zone area. I'm going to focus with the new Pro-based pore-blurring primer. It's got a nice little concentrated nozzle. You can put it directly to the face. I'm going to show you in the back of my hand. Yeah, it's lovely. I'm just going to move it up. Centre of my face. I often get extra shiny and have, yes, we've all got them. We've all got pores, so yeah. Oh, that feels so nice. The two textures, they just marry well together. This colour, beautiful by Pro-base. Long wear matte finish foundation. So even though it's summer, what's great about this foundation, it's like a medium buildable coverage. So you can put a little bit on and get a nice soft finish, or you can double it up and go for that full glam look. I'm going to use a little bit. I'm going to put a tiny bit, a little bit on my nose, maybe a bit more here, just a little bit. I'm going to use my fingers to slightly rub it in, and then I'll finish off with a brush. Now going with my Pro-based concealer, I'm using shade 146. It's a bit lighter than my foundation, but I've done that deliberately to slightly brighten up and highlight underneath my eyes and underneath my eyebrows. Now whilst that's setting, cooking, getting a bit more tacky on the skin, I'm going to go in with my favourite cream bronzer. Oh, she's a steal. I wear shade Caramel. So finger again, it's going to slightly whack a little bit on, get a bit more definition on the skin. So there's no wrong or right way to apply this. This is such a nice consistency. I'm going to lift a little bit on the line. I'm going to go in with another stippling brush on a concealer. Just going to
slightly pat that in. Love, so nice.
Brow, I use my finger for that. Now, love the structure of the face right now. I'm going to add a bit of complexion, and we are going in with the lovely Amber Sunset. So pretty. It's like a corally orange cream blush. So pretty. We're going to do another layer, why not? I'm going to double it up. So pretty. I'm about to get lightly pushed out into the skin. I don't want it to disappear. Just want it to all blend in nicely together. Now to finish off with the lip, I'm going in with a lovely red lip liner. This colour is called Agenda. It's a really warm, happy red tone. And then to go in the centre, I'm going to finish off with that lovely blusher. Pat it in the middle. Love how these two primers have come together to create this look. Okay, see ya.